Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. I'm part of MarketSmith India team, which manages model portfolio. Uh, Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So here is the Nifty's daily chart taken from our website. It's very important to understand Nifty's the price volume action to gauge the market for at least for a short period. Currently, as you can see, Nifty has been in a very good momentum on the upside after making a new high around this area. Nifty has been in a very good rally, and it continued to make new highs consistently. Currently, it is yesterday's closing was also very strong, and it closed near the day's high at all-time high. Volume also very good, above average, indicating good amount of accumulation happening. Not just yesterday, for the last 1 month, you can see volume has been very good, indicating good amount of accumulation. And if you see prior to that, when the Nifty or market consolidated sideways, the volume was also on the lower side, indicating not so much of selling pressure. It's just of muted action. But when the Nifty started to rally, the volume has also increased. That indicates fresh entry of institutional investors. It might be domestic or foreign institutional investors. But when these institutional investors invest or start buying into the market, definitely it is a very positive sign for the markets. And talking about O'Neill lens, we are in a confirmed uptrend, and our distribution day count is at 2. A distribution day count helps us to track weakness in the ongoing rally. Whenever there is or whenever Nifty falls 0.2% or more on volume higher than the previous session, we will consider that as a distribution day. And if the distribution day count elevates to 4 or 5, we will change the market status to uptrend under pressure, from where we will be more cautious while adding, and we try to book out profits or stocks which are moving sideways in the existing portfolio. Coming to key news section, Innova Captab, which is a pharmaceutical company, will be listed on the exchanges today, and the final issue price has been fixed at 448 rupees per share. And apart from this, IDFC First Bank, the Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI, has approved investment by ICICI Prudential AMC and ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company to acquire 9.97% of the share in the IDFC First Bank. And similar news is there with the Federal Bank as well. RBI has given approval to ICICI Prudential AMC company to acquire 9.95% in the Federal Bank. Again, Punjab National Bank has also been in the news because its board of directors have approved the proposal to raise nearly 7,500 crores of rupees in the coming financial year, that is FY25, in one or more tranches through qualified institutional placement or public follow-on public offer. Azad Engineering has received an investment from Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund and the fund has picked a stake of 0.67% at an average share price of 720 rupees per share, and the total investment was uh, amounting to 28.67 crores. Coming to institutional activity, yesterday both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors were net buyers in the Indian market. A positive side, FIIs have bought more than 4,300 of crores of Indian equities, whereas domestic institutional investors have bought more than 136 crores of Indian equities. Talking about global update, US market closed mostly on the flat territory. Dow Jones closed 0.1% higher, S&P and Nasdaq almost flat. Asia markets are trading mixed. You can see Nikkei and Nikkei is trading in the negative territory, whereas Shanghai is trading in the positive territory. Kospi's index is closed today because of trading holiday. This is yesterday's reading, but today's it is closed because of trading holiday. Nifty is indicating a positive opening for the markets. Yesterday Nifty closed at 21,770 level. Today it is trading at 21,950 level. So slightly higher opening, around 100-point higher opening is expected, and if that opening is sustained, again we will see a new uh, a new high Nifty making, and also we might also see 22,000 level on the Nifty for the first time ever. For the chart of the day, we picked Kirloskar Engineering. The stock has been trading in the stage 4 cup base pattern. It is a very long base pattern of length starting from August to January, December. And during the base formation, you can see here volume has completely dried up. And when it started to reclaim their moving averages, they have a couple of blue bars indicating good amount of accumulation. Currently, the stock is still 6% to pivot. Ratings wise, it is looking very good. EPS of 90. RS strength is slightly lagging at 56. A by D rating is at B plus. Number of funds section is also very good, even though the number of funds wise, absolute number wise, it is lesser. But there is a very good improvement in the last quarter, especially from June to September. And the only lagging factor is RS rating, and also current base count is at stage 4. It's slightly extended or late stage base, we can say. If you are looking for fresh additions, ideally we do not encourage late stage basis breakouts, but in this current rally, we see lots of stocks breaking out from stage 3, stage 4 basis. And you can keep a stop loss around 50 100 EMA levels. If those levels are breached, you can consider exiting this stock. Thanks for joining today's people. Have a good trading session.